Hello everyone, welcome you all at Padhai Ke Fun Day. Today we are going to discuss about properties of integers, which is about chapter 1 of maths, integers. So here we are going to see about the first property of integer, that is closure property. What's the meaning of this closure property? This property we are going to see under addition and subtraction now. क्लोजर प्रॉपर्टी मीन्स जब भी हम इंटीजर्स को ऐड करें या उनके बीच डिफरेंस निकालें तो जो सम एडिशन में या जो डिफरेंस सब्ट्रैक्शन में हमें मिलेगा दैट नंबर विल ऑल्सो बी एन इंटीजर. दिस इज कॉल्ड closure property. Now we are going to see it under both. First we will see it under addition and then we will see it under subtraction. So let us see under addition. For that we are going to take an example here. Like I have two integers -2 and 15. Right, I have two integers -2 and 15. Now I'll see that if I will add them, what would I get? So we have to find the sum of -2 and 15. In my previous video, I have shown you what is the rule of addition of integer. By following that rule, we are going to add it here. That one integer is negative, that one is positive here. So we need to find difference between both. So 15 and 2's difference is 13 and the greater number is positive. So we will get positive 13 here. So you can see here that we have added two integers and the sum what we got, that is another integer. This is also an integer only. So when we add two integer, answer also we get as an integer. This is called closure property. So we can say that integers are closed under addition. Now we are going to see about subtraction. Similarly, we will take two numbers. Let us take the same numbers only. -2 and 15. Now we will find difference between both of them because we want to see it under subtraction. So if I will find the difference between them, so it will be -2 minus 15. Now 2 negative, 15 negative, so they will be added. 15 and 2 will get 17 here. And the greater number negative, so -17 will be the answer. So -17 is also an integer. So what we have seen here, that is we have subtracted two integers and as an answer also we got another integer only. So this shows us that integers are closed under subtraction. Right, so this was closure property. Now we are going to see about the second property of integers, that is commutative property. This property also we are going to see under addition as well as subtraction. So first we will do under addition. First let me tell you what is the meaning of this commutative property. Commutative property allows the numbers to change their place. In simple language, if we say under addition, suppose we have two integers a and b. So a plus b is equals to b plus a. I have changed the order of the number. First number went to the second place, second number went to first place. So if it doesn't make any change in the answer, so we can say yes, the integers are commutative under addition. And same we will check for subtraction also. Let us see here. Let us try to do this with the help of number. Here suppose A is 5 and B is -3. Two integers we have taken here. First I am going to do it A plus B. So what would I get? A plus B. That is, when I'll open the bracket, I'll get 5 minus 3. So my answer is 2. I added both the integers and I got answer as 2. Now let us check what would happen if second number plus first number, that is B plus A, will do. So that is B plus A minus 3 plus 5. Different number, one negative, one positive, so subtraction will be there, and difference between them is 2, and greater number is positive, so this answer will remain positive only. So we have seen here that left hand side is equals to right hand side. In both the condition we got the same answer. That means integers can be added in any order. So integers are commutative under addition. Commutative under addition. Okay, got the commutative property? Commutative property allows the numbers to change their place. Now we are going to see about commutative property under subtraction. For this means A minus B is equals to B minus A. Let us take the same value of A and B what we have taken previously. To check it, A is 5, B is minus 3. So let us find the difference between A and B. See, A minus B. This is the minus of the subtraction and this of the value of B. Right, so when I'll open the bracket, 5 minus minus will be plus 3. 5 plus 3 we get 8. This is the solution of LHS. Now let us do RHS. That is B minus A. B minus A minus 3 minus 5. Numbers sign are same, both are negative, so they will be added. 5 and 3, 8, and the greater number is negative, so minus 8. So what do you see here? Have we got same answer in both the case? 8 and minus 8 are equal? No, they are not equal. So we can say that A minus B is not equals to B minus A. That means in case of subtraction, you cannot change the order of the numbers. So integers are not commutative under subtraction. As integers are not commutative under subtraction, that is the only reason that I told you when in the previous videos we have seen about the difference of the integers. Then I told you that their place matters a lot. What is given at the proper place, like subtract this from this, so you have to take care of the place where which number to write. Okay, because it matters a lot. You cannot change the order of the number in case of subtraction of the integer, because integers are not commutative under subtraction. So here we have seen the two properties of integer, that is closure and commutative. If you like the video, please press the like button. You can comment over there. Please share as much you can and subscribe Padhai Ke Funday. Thank you.